Good morning students, welcome to our maths class. Okay, in the last class we have seen the square and square root. Okay, how to find the square, that is 1 square is equal to 1, 2 square is equal to 4, like that we have written up to 400. This is the square. The note is the square of an even number is always an even number. The square of an odd number is always an odd number. See this is an even number. The answer, the square of the 2 square is 4. That is also even number. 4 square, that is also even number. 6 square, that is also 36 is even number. Then 8 square, 64 is an even number. 10 square, 100 is an even number. Like that, even numbers as the answer is even. Then odd numbers, see the odd numbers. 1 square, 1. 3 square, 9. That is also even number. Odd number. 3 square means 9 is also odd number. 5 square, 5 is an odd number. 25 is an odd number. Then 7, 49. 9, 81. 11, 121. Like that, the odd number has the square is also an odd number. Okay. The next one. When a number ends with 0, its squares ends with double zeros. Okay. If take 10 square, it is 1 0. After multiplying 2 times, it will come a square is 2 zeros. Okay. The next, the square number never ends with 2, 3, 7, 8. The square number never ends with 2, 3, 7, 8. See, never end with 2, 3. End means you have to see the units place. Units place doesn't come 2, 3, 7, 8. Okay. Then 1 square, 1. 2 square, 4. Isn't it? Sorry. If listen, it is 2 means it ends with 4. 2 square, 4. Again, some other number is ending with 4. 8 square, 4. Okay. 2 square and 8 square, the units place is 4. Then the 3 square, take 3 square is 9. Then 7 square is ends with 9. Okay. The next 4 square ends with 16. Then 6 square ends with 6. Both the numbers ends with 6. And 5 square always ends with 5. Okay. Now you shall recall some problems. The area of square field is 625 square meter. Find its side. What is the area of a square? We already studied in the lower classes, isn't it? Area of a square is equal to, what is area of a square? Say A into A or A square units. Isn't it? A into A, L into L, like that you studied. So you can write this as A square units. So the area they are given as 625. We have to find the side, isn't it? So you can write as A square is equal to 25 square, isn't it? If you bring this square this side means it will come as root. Square comes this side means root. So square and square gets cancelled. A is equal to 25 meter. Side A is equal to 25 meter. This is the answer. Okay. We have to say the square of 1 by 5. Next question. 1 by 5, the whole square is equal to 1 square by 5 square. That is 1 by 25. That's the answer. Square root of 25 square is, you have to write square root of 25 square. Square and root gets cancelled. The answer is 25. Then square root of 2.5, the whole square, isn't it? That is, you have to cancel square and root. that will become as 2.5 is the answer. Okay. Then square root of 49. Square root of 49 is equal to 7 square, isn't it? Yes, that is answer is 7. Now, minus 1 the whole square. Minus 1 into minus 1. Square root of, isn't it? Minus 1 into minus 1. Then minus and minus becomes plus here, isn't it? So, answer is plus 1. If you multiply minus 1 and minus 1 2 times, the minus and minus becomes plus. So, answer is 1. Then the square root of minus 7 the whole square. Minus 7 into minus 7 within root. So, it will come as 7 because 7 and minus becomes plus. Okay. The next one. The square of 27 is 27 into 27. Here they asked square root. Here they asked square. What is the square? Square of 27 is equal to 729. The units place of the square of 27. 27 square nudeya units place. What is the units place? This is the units place. So 9 is the square root of 625 is equal to dash. You have to do by long division method. Okay. We'll do long division method means 625. Here you have to split two digits from last. Okay. Then first digit is 6. We know that 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4, 3 threes are 9. So now we have 6 only. So you have to write 4. 2 twos are 4. Okay. You subtract now. 2 you bring down 25. Okay. Now you have to multiply 2 to 2, 4. Okay. Here it is ending with 5. So you can write 5. Here also 5. 5 5s are 25. Remaining 2. 5 4s are 20. So 20 plus 2, 22. Okay. Now it's over. Now square root of 625 is equal to 25. Okay. Root of 196 by division method. That is long division method. So 196 you have to split into 2 by drawing the line in the bar, otherwise by comma. Okay. Then 1 ones are 1. Okay. Then 0. You have to bring down 96 down. Then you have to multiply this 1 into 2s are 2. Okay. Now it is ending with 6. So you can take 4 4s are 16. Go 4 4. 4 4s are 16. 6. Remainder 1. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 9. So 96. Subtractance is 0. So root of 196 is equal to 14. Then root of 3136 by division method. That is 3136. You have to put bar by splitting, otherwise by commas. 2 numbers. You take 2 numbers from the last. Okay. First it is 331. That is 1 into 1s are 1. 2 2s are 4. 3 3s are 9. Then 4 4s are 16. 5 5s are 25. And 6 6 are 36. We have to 31. So we are taking 25. So 5 5s are 25. Then you subtract, that is 6. Bring down 36 down. Then it is 36. Okay. 336 means it is ending with 6. So we can multiply. You have to multiply this 5 by 2. That is, it will come 10. Then you have to multiply 6. 6 are 36 will come now. 6 6 are 36. So you are writing 6 6. So 6 6 are 36. Remainder 3. 6 zeros are 0 plus 3 3. 6 ones are 6. So you subtract 0. Now 56 is the square root of 3136. Okay. This is a long division method for doing square root. And we shall see the exercise sums 1.4. Find the square root by long division method. 17956. Same I am doing. Here we are splitting 2. Okay. Then only one digit from 1 ones are 1 ones are. Then you are multiplying 1 and 2, writing 2. Now bringing down 79. Now we have to multiply and see 2 times. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. Now we have 79. So 3 3s are 69. Okay, 4 4s are, we have to apply 4 96. But we have 79. So you are taking this one. And 69 you are writing. Here 3 3. Then we have to multiply 13 2s are 26 right here. Now you subtract this and get 79 minus 69 10. You bring down 56. Now with this 26 you have to add and see 4. Here you are adding 4 because the end number is 6. So here the ending number here also 6. Okay, first you are multiplying by 4 and seeing. 4 4s are 16, remainder 1, 6 4s are 24, plus 1 25, remaining 2, 4 2s are 8, 9 and 10. Okay, 1056. Here also 1000. So 4. If it is not coming, you have to try with 6. Okay, it is coming, so we are writing the answer. Now the root of this is 134. The next one, this only you have to write the next one. Then here 2 you are taking 2 by commas or by bar. Now you are taking 41. 41 means you can take 36. Then next one is 49. No, you are taking 36. 6 are 36. Now you subtract. This will become 5. Bring down 86 and multiply this 6 to 2. 6 2s are 12. Okay. Now 586. Now you have to write and see. 500 it's 1 2 1 2 2 you have to bring it, write and see the 2 then 3 4 4. Okay, and 5 then 4 is 496. That is enough. So you are writing 5 is 625. So you are writing 4 4s are 496. Okay, now you subtract, it will come 90. Then you bring down to 90. Now you multiply 64. 64 into 2s are 128. Okay, with that it is ending with 9. So here ending with 9 is 49. So you are multiplying by 7 you are multiplying and 9009 is coming. So you are substituting. The answer is 0. All your subtractance is 0. 7. So root of 418609 is equal to 647. Okay. Seventh sum. Estimate the value of the square roots to the nearest whole number. That is root of 440. Okay. We have to write nearest to whole number. 20 square is, we know 20 square is 400. Then 21 square is 441. So 1 only difference. So we can take approximately. You are saying the symbol as approximately. Writing as the symbol as approximately. Okay. Approximately 21. Whole number. You are writing the answer in whole number. Then root of 800. 27 square is 729. Isn't it? Then 28 square is, you have to multiply and see. 784. Then 29 square is 841. So much of difference. 41 difference. So we are taking as 28. Root of approximately 28. Then next one 1020. 30 square we know 900. 31 square 9 to 61. Then 32 square is 1024. Isn't it? So here 4 only difference. So approximately it is 32. Root of 1024 is approximately 32. Then we will see the decimal numbers. Find the square root of the decimal and fraction. Decimal and fraction they are given. We have to solve and say the square root of that number. Now you can make this 2.89 as whole number, into 100 into 100. Then it will become as 289 by 100. We know that 100 is 10 square. Root of 10 square is you can take 110 outside. That is that we know. Okay. Now we have to find 289 square root. By long division method I have written. Okay. We have to split to 2 here. Remaining is one digit. That is 1 ones are 1. Then you have to subtract 1. 89 bring down. Then you have to multiply this 1 into 2. 2. Okay, now it is ending with 9. So we are putting 7. 7 sevens are 49. Remainder 4. Then 7 2s are 14 plus 4, 189. So the 2.89 is equal to 17 by 10 square, root 10 square. Then it is 17 by 10. The answer is 1.7. Then we shall move to next one, 67.24. Same, you are multiplying the numerator and denominator by 100. Then it will become 6724. You are finding the square root for 6724 by long division method. Okay. Then 67 means 8 8s are 64 we can take. Then remainder 3, bring down 24. Then 8 2s are 16. Then you put 2 2. Then it will come up 324 0. The answer for this is 82 by 10. That is 8.2. Okay. Then third sum, 2.0164 into 10,000. That is 1 into 10,000 is equal to 20164 by 10,000. Because 1, 2, 3, 4 digits you have to make whole number. For that you are multiplying by 4 zeros. Then you have to do by long division method. You put comma or bar. Then one digit is remaining. And 1 ones are. Then you subtract 1, 0, 1. Then 1 into 2, 2. Okay. Here 4 4s are 16, 6. Remainder 1. 4 2s are 8, 96. Then next 14 into 2, 28. Then you have to subtract and write. That is 564. Bring down 64. 564. That is 2 times 564. Okay. Next one. You can write this as by 10,000. It is 100 square. So we can take 100 outside. 1.42 is the answer. Okay. Next one. It is in fraction. Okay. 144 by 225. Then you can write this as 12 square by 15 square. That is we can take 1 outside. 12 by 15 is the answer. Then 7 18 by 49. You have to multiply these two and add this one. That is 361 divided by 49. Now 361 is 19 square. Otherwise you divide and see. Okay. You can see by this long division or by 361. If you divide by 361, 19 only, you got to write 19 19 only. Any other tables it won't come, isn't it? So you have to write 19 19 only. For that you can use this long division method. Okay. Then 19 square by 7 square. And take 1 outside, 19 by 7. Then this is in improper fraction. You have to change this to mixed fraction. 2 5 by 7. 7 2s are 14. 19 minus 14, 5 remaining. So 5 by 7. Then find the least number that must be subtracted to 666 so that it becomes a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square thus obtained. Okay. You have to see what the least number subtracted. How much you have to subtract to make this as a perfect square. So they are dividing by long division method. The remainder is 105. Okay. We cannot divide this. So you have to keep point. Before that they asked how much you have to subtract. If you subtract 105, the remainder in the last step is 105. Is if 105 is subtracted, then the remainder is 0. If you subtract from 666 minus 105, then it will come 6561. This is 81 square. So the square root of 6561 is equal to 81. Okay. Thus they asked is 105 is the least number that must be subtracted from 6666. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.